Welcome to the Amana Supplier Portal. In this video, we will guide you through the responding to supplier pre-qualification questionnaires in Supplier Portal step by step. Enter your user ID and password on the Oracle Cloud login page and click Sign In. Click the Supplier Portal app icon on the dashboard. On the left sidebar under Qualifications, click Manage Questionnaires. Vendor Onboarding, ID 100, and click Respond. Review questions 1 through 8. Indicate whether your company has anti-bribery policies in place and confirm your legal history regarding corruption or blacklisting. Confirm your compliance with UAE tax laws, VAT, and data protection laws. Where requested, example for tax compliance or industry licenses, click the plus icon to upload your supporting certificates. Move to next section and review questions 10 through 13. Select the option that best describes your company's history of audited financials, example audited for 3 years, 1 to 2 years, or none. Select the range that matches your company's current ratio and quick ratio based on your latest financial reports. Move to QA/QC compliance. Review questions 15 through 21. Indicate if you possess a documented quality management system, ISO 9001, 2015, and inspection and test plans, ITPs. Confirm if you have in-house engineering capabilities and how you handle customer complaints. Upload relevant quality manuals or warranty procedures where indicated by the system. Go to the next section. Review questions 23 through 34. Confirm if you have a documented health and safety management system and valid trade licenses for your jurisdiction. Answer questions regarding your safety officers, employee training, and regular safety audits. If you hold ISO 14001 or ISO 45001 certifications, upload valid certificates if you select Yes. Confirm the status of your insurance coverage, example, workmen's compensation. Move to the Operation Compliance, PQ5, review questions 36 through 43. Indicate if you can provide lists of ongoing projects, completed projects, and key personnel profiles. Confirm if your company is a registered contractor with major entities such as ADNOC or Aramco. Select NA, not applicable, if you are not registered with these specific entities. Similarly, complete Products Services section and answer the questionnaires. Go final section. Prepare a company declaration letter stating the truth and accuracy of the information provided. Click the plus icon to upload the signed and stamped declaration letter. Click the Save button in the top right corner to ensure your progress is stored. Once all sections are answered and all required attachments are uploaded, click the Submit button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to finalize your submission.